This is the acceleration of particle in electric field interactive calculator, which solves for particle motion parameters when charged particles move through electric fields. The calculator has a drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options. Calculate acceleration from field and charge, calculate final velocity from distance, calculate required electric field, calculate kinetic energy change, calculate time to reach velocity, and calculate distance from velocity change. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Acceleration from Field and Charge. There are 3 input fields: electric field in newtons per coulomb, charge in coulombs, and mass in kilograms. Let's work through an example using an electron in an electric field. I'll enter 5,000 for the electric field, 1.602 E19 for the charge, which is the elementary charge, and 9.109 E31 for the mass, which is the electron mass. After clicking Calculate, the calculator determines the acceleration of the electron in the electric field. This acceleration value tells us how rapidly the electron's velocity changes due to the electric force acting on it. Engineers use this fundamental calculation when designing electron beam systems, cathode ray tubes, and particle accelerators. Find the link in the description below.